Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Marion.com. I'm on a homepage, and I love the taglines. I love the featured images. I think the button is a little bit confusing. It's um it's much better to use much straightforward buttons if you want people to click it. Just inform shop now, click here, buy now, and so on. However, this 50% off mid-season sale automatic discount at the checkout, it doesn't really tell that people should click it. So it can be included as the top banner, some tagline. However, it shouldn't really be part of the button because it's not a call to action, it's just the information. So if you want people to click and shop to improve your conversion rate, make sure to change the text on the buttons. Explore the collections is a nice feature. I would just optimize them to be more SEO friendly, contain your target keywords, as well as other titles. Also, you can use a different tagline here, such as shop summer accessories or something like that, so people know what to expect when they click this image. The photo looks great. You've got additional navigation here, social media links, which is excellent. Remember to open all social media links in your tab so when someone clicks it, your website doesn't disappear from the browser, so you don't lose valuable traffic from your website. For some reason, the top navigation disappears on other pages than a homepage, which can affect your conversion rate. I mean, it's not disappears; it's right here. However, it can give an impression that it disappears. It's not displayed. So make sure that this has got the most focus on the in the top banner. It should have most focus because it improves your conversion rate. I'm not sure why this currency symbol is below the card. Should be in one line, so it looks like there could be some issue with the layout of those elements. Top menu should really have the prime position in your header area. Otherwise, people will be confused where to click next to shop because your footer menu doesn't have link to your products, which can definitely kill your sales. So remember to optimize the header area for the conversion better. The collection page looks like a blog post because it has got plenty of content above the fold. So remember to optimize the above the fold for the conversion so people can see the products in the row instead of the text. It's much better for sales. So if someone lands on the page, this kind of layout is much better above the fold so people can see the bracelets, can see other products, and can click and shop. Product images look great. You don't need to repeat the logo within the image because the logo is already displayed in the header area. I would just optimize the layout a little bit better. So perhaps those variants are displayed as drop-down menu, so they don't take that much space, and add to cart is visible above the fold. Otherwise, it disappears under all of this unnecessary fluff that doesn't add anything in terms of conversion. It can be moved down the page, and add to cart, which is the one thing that helps your sales, is completely forgotten. Your refund page still features Shopify own default policy, which contains items you're not selling, such as food, flowers, newspapers, VHS tapes. So it's definitely confusing for your shoppers. They don't know what you're talking about, which can kill sales. So remember to add unique returns policy with unique content. It will not only help your sales but also SEO because you will not be featuring duplicate content that thousands of other stores have as well. SEO score is 47 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. It seems that you've got two URLs, two domain names pointing to your website without 301 redirect, which is very, very confusing for Google because it reads it as two separate websites with a duplicate content. You are still having a string of keywords, so keyword stuffing within your homepage, which is considered black hat SEO. Is normally this field is empty because Google is no longer paying attention to meta keywords. It doesn't say that it will hurt because, as I mentioned, Google doesn't pay attention to those meta keywords, but it definitely will affect your SEO score. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.